Is it good?
Yeah, Mama.
She's eating a banana for the first time.
Oh.
Eat the banana. Mila. Is it good?
Sorry, Mom.
No? You don't want it, huh? She's not into it? Oh, how are you going to get it now? It's all sticky. Get it. You can take a big bite?
Ollie, come here, let's roll. Mama, roll.
You roll. Big bite?
Mama, yeah, roll.
Uh-oh, she ate half of it. She can't eat that much. That's way too big of a bite, kid. Too big. What are you going to do? Don't choke. That's too big. Can we get it out? No, let's not take a video of the kid choking. Wow, that was a big bite, wasn't that? Yeah, way too big. But, you like a banana?